Hello friends, this is Rahul A, Dhakate and welcome to my first YouTube channel that is called PROCODING with Rahul, and this is the latest effort from me to create a channel for all the people who want to learn technologies like Python, Selenium and other technologies that are commonly used in IT companies today. So why did I start this channel? And what would you find in my channel? There are a lot of things that you're going to learn in my channel. First of the thing is like you're going to learn about all the different tools that I use for testing, right from Selenium, Catalan, Groovy, Python and then Java. You'll be interfacing Selenium code with Java, and in Catalan also you'd be utilizing some amount of Java and Groovy. So I mean there are a lot of things that are there that are going to be in my channel that will be helping you guys out there to establish your career in software development industry. And we are also going to cover a lot of other things like web technology hacks, and there would be Postman and other softwares that are related tools that people utilize for testing. There will be some amount of database backend as well thrown in. It won't be full-fledged, but it would provide you enough introduction so that you can get started with all your technology like databases and other things for yourself, and you can advance in your career. So I'd be putting up a few series for Python, learning Python and other technologies like those are related to Python basically. Why Python? Because I love that language, and there are going to be a lot of technologies that are available with Python like artificial intelligence, machine learning, then NLP. So these technologies are the buzzword of today's day, and they are going to be there in future as well. So these technologies are easily available and could be learned in Python with a very less effort. So that is why I've chosen Python as my language here for this YouTube channel. And for testing I'm going to go with Selenium, which is universal framework now again. So I'll teach step by step about automation with Selenium, and hope so you like the content that I'll be creating, and it will be my effort to create the quality content for this channel so that anybody who wants to listen to me and they can listen to me with a lot of enthusiasm and get a lot of insight and information and help from my channel. Again, last but not the least, I will try to incorporate Hindi as well in my channel, because I think there are a lot of English channels already available and for all these technologies, but there are less Hindi channels for exposure of these technologies to the Indian subcontinent people. So it would be my endeavor to try to use Hindi somewhere in the video. So just let me know in the comment section below of the video what you think should be the primary language of teaching programming here and what you would be comfortable in. So I'll try to get those languages here, and see you. Let's begin our journey. Thank you. Thanks for watching.